Good day everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you some tricks in mathematics. And look at this now, we have 109 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to show you a short way in doing this. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All I need to do now is count from 0 downwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 109 times 1 is 109. 109 times 2 is 218. 109 times 3 is 327. The same thing goes for every other number here. Alright, now let's go to another trick you can actually apply in mathematics. We have 6 times 6, we all know is 36. Alright, so now in this case now, 66 times 6. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. 3 and 6. I'm going to create a space here. The same thing for this. 3 and 6. The same thing happens here. 3 and 6. Next one, 3 and 6. So all I need to do now is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So 6 times 6 is 36. 66 times 6 is 396. 666 times 6 is 3,996, and so on and so forth. Alright, I hope you learned a lot from this trick. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting mathematics videos. Bye.